So hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to unbox my new fitness tracker Mi Band 5, and this is my old fitness tracker Fast Track Reflex 2.0. I've been using this for more than 6 months and I found that many features are not available in it. So I bought this Mi Band 5, which has real-time heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring and a lot more stuffs. So before going to unbox it, let me tell you why aspirants need these kinds of gadgets. During our preparation, we forget to take care of our health. So we need gadgets like this. So I'm not telling anyone to buy this. I'm just saying that if you buy this, it will be helpful. So let's get to the unboxing now. So let me open it. So this is Mi Band 5. Let us keep it aside, and we got this charging cable and the user guide is here. So nobody used to read this. So this is a magnetic cable, I guess. This is a magnetic charger, and let's get to the gadget now. This is my brand new Mi Band 5, and I'll be reviewing it after using it for 1 or 2 weeks.
2 weeks later.
So after using this watch for 2 weeks, the result from this watch is close to accurate, and the display quality is also so good. And the rubber strap is so comfortable too. And about the battery life, on one full charge it's lasting for 6 days, even though I'm using every single application in it. And the main application which I loved in this watch is that the sleep monitor. It calculates you the light sleep, deep sleep, and even shows you the duration of your dream. So if you're planning to buy any fitness band, you can go for it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video.